Well, hello everybody. Jeff Cowan here from Jeff Cowan's Pro Talk, and I'm coming to you today with a great big announcement, and here's what it is. I will be presenting a 2-day workshop September 17th and 18th at the Lightspeed VT Training Center over in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, what's important about this workshop is it's the last public one I will be offering this year. I'm just so booked and doing the private ones every week. I'm flying somewhere to do private workshops. I've only got time for one more. We're going to do it September 17th and 18th. It's a 2-day workshop, and you'll want to be there, and here's why. It's my new workshop. It's a big smash hit, by the way, and it's entitled The Forgotten Rules of Writing Automotive Service. I mean, smash hit. People are loving the results they're getting from this workshop, and you will too. You want to send your team, because here's what I'm going to show you how to do, among many other things. I'm going to show you how to build relationships with your customers, relationships that make them trust you and want to come back and do business with you forever and ever. I'm going to show you how to get an effective labor rate of 92%. Now, that's a huge number when you factor in that the national average at this recording is a lousy 68%, but I'll show you how to get 92%. When it comes to customer paid hours per repair order, including oil changes, I will show you how to get to at least a 2.5, and if you're highline, 3.5 or higher. Again, a big number when you factor in that the national average is a low, embarrassing, lousy 1.3. I don't know how you do that, but I'll show you how to get to 2.5 or above. Right now, the customer retention levels in the country at automotive dealerships for service is a lousy 28%, but I'm going to show you how to get to 80-85% within 18 months of installing my process that I will show you at this workshop in your dealership. I'm going to show you and your staff how to get perfect and near perfect survey scores. I'm going to show you how to eliminate heat cases forever. And by the way, that's the things that service advisors like most about using my process that's in my training. They call me up all the time and say, Jeff, you were right. I am making $20, $30, $40, $50,000 more than I ever have before. I'm making that much more in addition to what I was making before, and that's all good and well, but the thing that I like most about your process is how I have to deal with no heat. You know, Jeff, I used to get out of bed every day and go to a job where I knew I was going to get yelled at 3, 4, 5 times, but today I get out of bed as a professional and go to a career where if I get yelled at once a month, it's a lot. It's a lot. They love the fact that my training eliminates all heat cases. And I'm going to show you which technology you should be using and exactly how to use it, because most people that have it are using it the wrong way and literally costing themselves results. But I'll show you how to get maximum results from that, and I'm just scratching the surface. I'm going to talk a lot about closing sales, and I'm going to be talking a whole lot about how to handle objections, more than I've ever talked in any other workshops. So if you're struggling with closing sales and handling objections, if you want stuff that works and closes deals right now, you come to this workshop, because I'll show you how to do that, how to do this, and so much, much more. But you got to get signed up now, because like all of our other public workshops this year, they are selling out. They are selling out, and this one will too. Very limited seating. How do you get signed up? Well, you reach us by dialing 1-800-248-2931, 1-800-248-2931. Anybody that picks up that telephone when you call that number can get you signed up and registered, or you can go to automotiveservicetraining.com, automotiveservicetraining.com, and get yourself signed up there yourself if you like, but you want to do it right now. This workshop will sell out. They all are selling out. I can't do any more public ones because I'm that book solid with the private ones, and so you want to get signed up right now. When it does come to the private ones, I could probably squeeze another 1 or 2 in if you wanted to do one, by the way. But here's how you get signed up for this one right here. Now listen, I want to see you there, so do this right now. Don't mess around. Get signed up right now today, and I will see you in Las Vegas, and I will show you how to be the most successful service advisor, service manager, service team on the planet. I'll show you how to do it fast. I'll show you how to maximize all the opportunity you have. I will be presenting the workshop myself. I love doing it. You will enjoy it, and you will get content like nobody else. Nobody else in the industry has content that does what mine does. Jeff Cowan signing off. Make it a great day, and God bless you all. See you in Vegas.